Filming in now.
The perception of what you're trying to do and what you're trying to achieve, and you get sidelined, and then of course, just like in business,
No,
you
don't jump off there.
before the operation going straight, all of these diversions can destroy what you're trying to achieve.
So has your wealth of experience in management given you the tools to kind of remain positive?
Absolutely. I rather suspect if I'd had a different type of work or job, I might not be able to feel so strongly that you can achieve
Trixie!
without being
Trixie!
mentally blind.
Come here! Trixie!
You can actually get to the end. There's no such word as can't.
So you share Howard's optimistic viewpoint?
I'm somewhat more emotional.
Say hello, Trixie! Oh, okay, hang on. Go. Put Jasper and Steve together. Go. Move my hand. Move my hand. Oh, Trixie. Oh, you scared of him. Trixie's scared of Jasper. Trixie's scared of Jasper. Okay, that's enough, Trixie. That's fine.
Will be this summer, or this year. No, it'll be this summer.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Jasper. Say bye-bye, Trixie.